Um, no thanks. I don't know about that. What I do know about is this guy right here. This is real life right here. Personalized, customized vitamin pack, and no blender, no refrigeration, no let me get this bottle, get the cotton ball out, and get one, and forget and remember what real life, real convenience, real savings. Let's go. If you're all about the real thing, drop the word real in the comments. And I got you. Really, for sure. Drop the word real in the comments. Let's go. I'll see you tomorrow with another fun fact and another customized, personalized vitamin pack. Oh, it's for real.